fit, fit. The new shelves fit perfectly in the stockroom. The new shelves fit perfectly in the stockroom. Reference, reference. Please list 2 references on your application. Please list 2 references on your application. Status, status. Can you check the status of my order, please? Can you check the status of my order, please? Fuel, fuel. Fuel costs have gone up again this month. Fuel costs have gone up again this month. Nearly, nearly. The project is nearly finished. The project is nearly finished. Cafeteria, cafeteria. The cafeteria on the 5th floor closes at 2. The cafeteria on the 5th floor closes at 2. Determine, determine. We need to determine the cause of the delay. We need to determine the cause of the delay. Correct, correct. Please correct any errors before you submit. Please correct any errors before you submit. Downtown, downtown. The new store is located downtown near the station. The new store is located downtown near the station. Entire, entire. The entire team worked late to meet the deadline. The entire team worked late to meet the deadline.